Hi there, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to customize Shopify's announcement bar. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. Then click the online store button on the left. On the themes page, find your theme and click Customize. This opens the theme customization page. On the left, you'll see a menu with various store sections. At the top, you'll find the header option. Above it is the announcement bar for messages like free shipping. Edit this bar by clicking where it says Announcement Bar. You can then change the text that appears in the bar, or add a clickable page link, or edit the announcement bar's color. You can choose any color you want. With all color schemes available, you can change to another if desired. You can add a separation line below the header announcement bar. You can add social media icons, display icons, and add links in theme settings to show your social network. Add more messages by clicking the Add Announcement button. Enable auto scroll to change messages based on your time setting. Set up country region selector if configured in Shopify. There's also an option to enable the language selector if you've added other languages in your store settings. If you want, you can hide the announcement bar. Just go to the bar itself, hover over it, and on the right you'll see an eye icon. Click it to hide the bar, but I'll click again to make it visible. Now, I'll do something different. On the right, in the color option, I'll change it to stand out from the header. I'll also edit the default text on the right side. I'm changing it to a free shipping message. I've put in a free shipping text, but you can use any message you like. It'll update here. You can add your email, phone, or WhatsApp. It's up to you. After customizing the announcement bar, just save your changes. To do this, go to the top right and click the Save button. Once you click, your changes will be saved successfully. Now, when you visit your store, you'll see the updated bar with your new text. I hope this video was helpful. Buy